Let's look at factors of a number. Factors of a number are whole numbers that divide into the original number, leaving no remainder. We're going to illustrate this by looking at 3 examples, starting with finding the factors of 10. Now, the first thing to remember is that for any number, itself and 1 are always factors. So for 10, 1 and 10 are always factors. Now I'm going to start finding pairs of numbers that times together give 10. And I'm going to start to see if 2 is in a pair of number that times get 10. Well, it is, because 2 times 5 equals 10. So both of those must be factors. Now I'll see if 3 is a factor. 3 times anything doesn't give us 10. No. 4, no, 4 doesn't divide into 10. 5, well, 5's already in our list. So once we get to a number that's already in a list, we stop. So our factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Let's try 24. Well, as we've written here, 1 and itself must be a factor, so 1 and 24. Now I see if 2 divides into it. Well, 24 divided by 2 is 12, so that must mean that 2 times 12 is 24, so they must be both factors. Does 3 divide into it? Yes, it does. And we get 3 and 8, because 3 times 8 is 24, so they're both factors. Does 4 divide into 24? Yes, it does. It's 4 and 6. 4 times 6 is 24. And 24 divided by 6 is 4, so that's a factor. Does 5 divide into 24? No, it doesn't, so that's not a factor. Does 6? Well, 6 is already in a list, so we stop. Now, if we write those out in order, we get our factors as those one there. Hopefully I haven't missed any off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Right, let's look at our last number, 25. So we know that 1 and 25 must be factors. Does 2 go into 25? No, it doesn't, because that's an odd number. Does 3 go into 25? No, 3 goes into 24, so it's not that one. Does 4 go into 25? No, because it's an odd number. Does 5 go into 25? Yes, 5 does. 5 times 5. So we've now got a pair of numbers, so we don't need to go any further than that if you get 5 times 5 or 6 times 6. So we need to stop there. So this one actually has an odd number of factors. It has 1, 5 and 25.